What if I told you that you can create insanely detailed 3D models in just a few seconds, without any 3D skills? In this video, I'm going to test an AI tool called Tripo AI that can turn simple text or images into fully detailed 3D models. And honestly, the results are kind of insane. We'll be generating models, comparing quality versus speed, adding textures, and even exporting them for real use like games or 3D printing. So let's jump in and see if this AI can actually replace traditional 3D modeling or if it's just hype. So after logging in, this is the main dashboard of Tripo AI. And right here, you get two powerful modes, HD model and Smart Mesh. HD model is designed for high-quality, ultra-detailed 3D assets. This is perfect if you want realistic models for things like 3D rendering, animation, or even 3D printing. On the other hand, Smart Mesh is built for speed. It generates clean, low-poly models in seconds, which makes it ideal for games, real-time applications, and quick prototyping. So basically, if you want quality, go with HD model. If you want speed, go with Smart Mesh. For now, I'm going to start with the HD model first, and then we'll compare it with Smart Mesh. Alright, let's get started. So before creating a 3D model, I'm first going to generate an image using AI. This will give me a solid base that I can later convert into a 3D model. All I have to do is type a prompt, choose the settings, and let the AI generate some images for me. And if you don't want to generate an image, you can also upload your own image directly from your computer and turn that into a 3D model as well. For now, I'll go ahead and generate an image and see what we get. Alright, now I've selected the HD model, which is designed for high quality and highly detailed 3D outputs. Now instead of generating an image, I'm going to upload one directly from my computer. And as you can see, it's now ready to be converted into a 3D model. Before generating, let's quickly go through the settings. I'll turn on Make Image Better for cleaner output and set the mesh quality to Ultra for maximum detail. I'll also enable Generate in Parts for better structure and keep the latest AI model selected. Now everything is set. Let's generate the model. And here's the result. As you can see, the model looks really clean, and the level of detail is actually impressive. Especially considering this was generated from just a single image. You can rotate the model freely and inspect it from every angle, which is really useful for checking the geometry and overall structure. If we look at the topology, you can see it has a high number of faces and vertices, which explains the level of detail we're getting here. Now, another powerful feature here is multi-view generation. With just one click, it can generate multiple perspectives of the same model, which helps improve accuracy and gives you more control over the final result. And if we look at the topology, you can see the number of faces and vertices, which shows how detailed this model actually is. Now here, you can see the segmentation section on the left side, where the model is automatically divided into different parts. Each part is shown with different colors, making it easy to understand and edit specific areas. If I open this panel, you can see all the separated parts listed here. So if you want to edit any specific section, you can simply select it from here. Next, we have Fill Parts. This option helps to complete missing or broken areas of the model. So if any part looks incomplete, you can fix it easily using part completion. After that, we move to Retopo, which stands for retopology. Here, you can switch between quad and triangle topology. You can also reduce the polygon count, which is very useful for optimizing the model for games or real-time use. Next is the texture section. From here, you can generate textures automatically or choose from different styles. You also have the option to create your own custom texture style. Once applied, you can see the model becomes much more realistic and detailed. Below that, we have the Edit section with the Magic Brush tool. Here, you can either generate textures using prompts or manually paint on the model. You can also adjust the creativity strength to control how strong the effect is. Then we have the Upscale option. This helps to enhance the texture quality and add more fine details to the model. And finally, we have Animate. From here, you can apply auto-rigging and basic animations to your model, which is perfect if you want to use it in games or videos. And once everything is ready, you can simply export your model with your preferred format and settings. Now I've switched to Smart Mesh. I'll upload an image, then select Triangle in Topology settings and adjust the poly count. After that, just click Generate Model, and the AI quickly creates a ready-to-use mesh, which you can preview and edit further from the left panel. Alright, now let's move to the left side tools. This is where things get really powerful. First, click on Segmentation. Here, the AI automatically breaks your model into different parts, so you can edit everything separately without any hassle. Next, head over to Fill Parts. From here, you can select individual parts of your model and manage them one by one. Super useful for detailed editing. After that, open Retopology. This is where you optimize your mesh. You can adjust the topology and reduce or increase the polygon count to get a cleaner, more efficient model. Now jump into Texture. Here, you can apply ready-made styles or even upload your own textures to give your model a realistic look. And if you want even more control, use the Magic Brush. Just type what you want, like material or design changes, and the AI will apply it directly to your model. Finally, go to Rigging and Animation. Click on Auto Rig, and just like that, your model is fully ready for animation. And that's how you go from a basic model to a fully optimized, textured, and animated character using these tools. Now here's the difference. The HD model gives you more detail and better visual quality, but it's heavier and not ideal for editing or animation. On the other hand, Smart Mesh is optimized and lightweight, which makes it perfect for editing, rigging, and real-time use. So if you want quality, go with HD. But if you want performance and flexibility, Smart Mesh is the better choice. So yeah, that was my full experience using Tripo AI. From generating images to turning them into detailed 3D models, and then optimizing, texturing, and even animating them. The whole workflow is surprisingly fast and powerful. What I really like is the flexibility. You can go for high-quality results with the HD model, or switch to Smart Mesh for a faster, more optimized workflow. If you want to try this yourself, make sure to check the invite link in the description and claim your extra credits and discount. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.